I'd like to talk to everyone just a little bit about some of the amazing capabilities of the iPress system with its connected enterprise. Now, something that makes iPress very unique and different from all other control systems is that it is a software-based system as opposed to a chip-based system. Well, what does that mean? Well, just think about this. Everybody's got one of these. When's the last time you called the App Store and said, hey, send me a new chip, I want to add that app to my phone? You never have and you never will, because it's a software-based system. That's modern technology. That's the same type of technology that's used in our iPress family of controls. They're software-based. That means you can have instant access to that program across the internet. And with that, you can have what's called connected enterprise. Very unique. If you notice here, you've got an iPad. You see the screen here is the same that you see on the press itself. You can view all the screens in real time over the internet, anywhere you're at in the world, to see what the press is doing. So if you want to if the operator changes the screen, as I'm doing here, you notice connected enterprise. You can see the same thing your operator's seeing at the same time. So you as a supervisor, you want to see what the press is doing at that moment, you can access the screen, you can see what the press is doing. You, Mr. Maintenance Man, you're running a second shift. It's 11 o'clock at night. You get a phone call from the plant. The operator has a problem on the press. You can access the press. Now, you cannot run it remotely, but you can see exactly what's going on the press at that moment and help people source the problem and fix it right then. That's connected enterprise. Also with connected enterprise, it can interlink to your company's network. So if you want to do reporting, you want to know what the press has done, the press can report that to you. Or you can upload and download jobs to the press. It gives you a lot more control, a lot more supervision, a lot more flexibility to allow you, again, to run more parts per hour, better bottom line.